Hi, I'm Jim Anaya. I'm the Dean of the University of Colorado Law School, and I'm inviting you to join us in beautiful Boulder, Colorado this summer.
Executive education at Colorado Law gives attorneys, compliance professionals, and entrepreneurs the opportunity to deepen their expertise or learn something new. This summer, we're pleased to offer 3 executive education courses. Together with the Leeds School of Business, we are offering the first of its kind Cannabis Entrepreneurship Academy, which will engage attorneys and entrepreneurs interested in the growing field of legal cannabis. We're also offering 2 programs on ethics and compliance. Lawyers can acquire up to a year's worth of CLE credits. The courses will take place at our campus in Boulder, Colorado, one of the best places to be in the summer. We're at the foot of the Rocky Mountains, where there are bountiful recreational opportunities. Our executive education courses are taught by University of Colorado Law and Business faculty and other experts who are at the forefront of their fields. There will be plenty of time to meet and connect with others, and the opportunity to build new, meaningful relationships.
I hope you'll join us in Boulder this summer for a few days of learning, meeting new people, and enjoying one of the most beautiful places in the country.